Hello everyone. This is ACC 2 Digital Empowerment Unit 1 Semester 2 MCQs. What is digital literacy? A set of skills that includes reading, and which of the following is not a component of digital literacy? Emotional and intelligence. Digital literacy helps individuals to enhance their existing skills. Which statement about digital literacy is true? It includes understanding online behavior. Which of the following best describes the importance of digital literacy in the workplace? It enables the employees to adapt. Digital literacy includes the ability to create and manage digital content. Which of the following skills is essential for evaluating the credibility of online information? Critical thinking and analytical skills. What does the term digital citizenship refer to in the context of digital literacy? Responsible and ethical use of technology. Which of the following is a challenge associated with digital literacy? Over reliance on digital tools. Which of the following best describes information literacy as a component of digital literacy? The ability to locate, evaluate and use information. In the context of digital literacy, what is media literacy? The ability to analyze and evaluate different forms of media. Which of the following statements about digital literacy is false? It only applies to young people. What does digital empowerment primarily aim to achieve? Universal dignity literacy. Which of the following is a key component of digital empowerment? Access to digital resources. The Digital India program was launched in which year? 2015. Which initiative aims to provide a collaborative digital platform for participative governance? Digital India. What is one of the main barriers to digital empowerment identified in surveys? Lack of digital skills. Which technology is primarily used for real-time data processing at the age of the network? Edge computing. What does AI stand for in the context of digital technology? Artificial intelligence. Which technology is being used to enhance personalization of digital services? Machine learning. Which of the following is a key application of quantum computing? Cryptography. Which of the following is a key application of machine learning in digital technology? Predictive analytics. Which of the following technologies is primarily used to secure transactions and data sharing? Blockchain. What does the term Internet of Things refer to? A network of physical devices connected to the internet. A network of physical devices connected to the internet. Which of the following best describes the concept of digital divide, the gap between those who have access to digital technology? What is the primary benefit of using augmented reality in education? Enhancing interactive learning experiences. What does the term digital footprint refer to? The trail of data. Which of the following is a characteristic of virtual reality? It creates a completely immersive digital environment. Which of the following is a feature of smart cities? Integration of IoT devices. What is the primary function of a virtual private network? VPN. To secure internet connections and protect user privacy. What does the term phishing refer to in cybersecurity? A technique used to trick individuals into providing personal information. Which of the following technologies is primarily used for creating immersive experiences in gaming? Virtual reality. Which of the following is a major concern regarding the use of social media? Privacy and data security issues. What is a common application of biometric authentication? User identification through fingerprints or facial recognition. Which of the following is a key characteristic of the Internet of Things? Interoperability between connected devices. What is the main function of a content management system? To create, edit, publish digital content. Which of the following best describes cybersecurity awareness training? A course designed to educate individuals. Which of the following technologies is commonly used for facial recognition? Artificial intelligence. What is the purpose of a firewall in cybersecurity? To block unauthorized access. Which machine learning technique is commonly used for detecting spam emails? Supervised learning. What does the term cloud storage refer to? Storing data on remote servers. Which machine learning technique is commonly used for detecting spam emails? Supervised learning. What role does machine learning play in self-driving cars? It helps in detecting and classifying objects in the vehicle's environment. Which of the following describes sentiment analysis in the context of machine learning? Analyzing text to determine the emotional tone behind it. What is the primary function of learning management system in education? To manage and deliver online courses. What is the significance of the Digital India initiative? To transform India into a fully connected knowledge economy. Which of the following technologies is expected to experience the fastest growth until 2025? Virtual reality and augmented reality. Which of the following describes 5G technology? A technology that enables faster data transfer and lower latency. Dash is process of extracting previously non-known, valid and actionable information from large data to make crucial business and strategic decisions. Data mining. Which of the following computing models is not an example of distributed computing environment? Cluster computing. In data mining, classification rules are extracted from decision tree. And the final question is, who is known as the father of AI? John McCarthy. Don't forget to share, like and follow. Keep studying. Goodbye.